Hey Bulldogs, I just wanted to spend some time with you here at the end of a semester and at the end of a calendar year in giving those of you who are coming back to our campus, whether you're an employee or whether you're a student, giving you some just heads up on what I'm looking at next year when it comes to January of 2026. I've just come to a point, friends, where I see so much that happens on our campus, in our state, across our country. And I'm convinced that those who think that the idea of civility and reaching community will just happen somehow accidentally or just appear out of nowhere, I'm convinced that that's just not the case. I'm convinced that in our world that we live in, it is incumbent upon each of us to, in my words, build community, build civility. I can tell you that's probably just not me who says that. It's the words of many leaders that I'm seeing across the country right now. Because the thing about it is that I believe that if you're going to build a community of civility, if you're going to build a community that has what I call a common unity, you've got to be very intentional with that. Now, I can't control what happens at the federal level. I can't muchly control what happens at the state level, but my goodness, we have an opportunity right here in our own community of Ferris State University to say here at our university, we are going to be about building community, building a common unity, and thinking about what does civility look like. So what we will start in January is exciting for me because I've had conversations with many of you about this. And the whole idea is that if we're not intentional, if we do not provide opportunities for our campus community to have those instances where you can sit and spend time with others, and I mean spend time with people who you may not even know. Starting, this is the recipe to me, you start at what you have in common. So, starting conversations with the fact that you're an employee or a student at Ferris State, and what is your major? And where are you from? Some things that really get us into what I call civility, unity, the conversation that says we're all Bulldogs, all of us, we're Bulldogs. You can always cover the things you don't agree with later on because somehow or another, some people think that's where you have to start these days. No, I think on our campus, we be more focused on the idea of common unity. It doesn't mean that every little thing that I believe in or everything that I do, that everyone has to believe the same way or everyone has to do the same thing. It means that I want to get to know more about folks who do not. And that we can at least start at what we agree on. And then as we get into the things we do not agree on, still be able to have those conversations down the road of that relationship. And then after that conversation, go over the rock and get dinner. I just love that idea. But I want to share with you that we as an institution this semester in spring of 2026 will be providing more opportunities that we want to give our community opportunity to get together, opportunities to establish a common unity. So we've had meetings with various people all over campus. Jake Magaha, our president of student government, we talked about this. There are some things that the president's office and SGA will be partnering with this whole semester, partnering on just different opportunities to give students the chance to get together. And when you do me a favor. Don't just migrate to the people you know. Make it a point to get to know someone you do not know. But the thing about it is that I want you to get to know someone you don't know and see what that's like. It does not mean that you have to, by the time the conversation is over, all of you agree that you are in line with one thing. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for the idea of civility and building a common unity on our campus. We may not be able to control what happens in other parts of this world that we live in, but let's do better in controlling this environment that you and I live in to create at Ferris State University a common unity. I am looking forward to this so much, and I hope you are too. And it's not just a one semester and done. This is who we are as Bulldogs. And so you will see this for as long as the tall, bald-headed guy is here. You will see that. I'm excited. Until then, enjoy your time away from the university. Enjoy the holidays. And come back in January ready to get going and getting the Bulldog Nation up and running once again, and you focused on finishing what you came here for in a place that is truly focused on a common unity. Go Dogs.